So hello guys, in this video I will show the new official update for Samsung Galaxy S10 series. It's 1Y 2.0 official with Android 10. So today I will tell you what's new about this update here. First of all, I will show you the version. To make it brighter. So it's UI 2.0 Android 10. It's official, it's not beta. And here are some of the features. The new animation on opening apps and new gestures like this. This is a task manager. You need to go slow for the task manager. To close the app you need to go fast. And very beautiful animations. And what's new is the camera. It has been changed something. The new design and the new design for video, photo, live focus. And the new animation for the volume and for the brightness too. And in settings you have new digital well-being and the focus mode that blocks all of your apps to stay focused in work or anything else, to stay away from phone. New device care. Also new updates for fingerprint, it's faster. And the new dark mode that applies in the wallpaper. And makes wallpapers more dark. You also can set the old navigation bar in settings. Here you have it. This is swipe from sides and bottom. Is the new gesture. And if you need to go back, you will like this. From the sides, it works from both sides. And it's official. I flashed it with Odin because it was available only for Germany and not for other countries, and I flashed it with Odin. If you want to show the procedure how I install it, please comment for it and I will show you. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.